today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I have big news, big times news for Bitcoin right now. Actually, before I am going here into the charts and I'm telling you what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term, let's talk about where I am here, because you're probably asking yourself, I just did a Muay Thai training here in the backyard of a random place in Thailand. But of course, when I am seeing something unfold charts just as yesterday, the day before, and so on, I have to talk about that. So this is exactly what I want to be doing here. I will talk about the charts. I will tell you what is going to happen to Bitcoin here, most likely in the immediate short term. Obviously, I want to talk about some breaking news right now for Bitcoin. Of course, what it means for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term, but more importantly in the mid and long run. Let's talk about that. Before I am here going straight into it, I would like to know from you, do you want me to make these videos whenever it is necessary in the immediate short term? Something popping up, I'm skydiving, I'm in the Muay Thai gym, I'm on the beach, whatever, wherever I am. If you want this, if you appreciate that, smash up the like button. This is a feedback function to show me I'm doing something right. And yes, I know you are doing that constantly. We are getting so many likes, so much engagement here. I truly appreciate it, but I would like to ask you for this continuous support. I truly appreciate it. It is for free, but however, it cheers me up every single day and makes me smile in the morning. Thank you so much for that. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And well, honestly, I'm telling you, it looks good for Bitcoin. Yes, it is a red day. It doesn't look good here like today. The numbers are red. In general, it looks good for Bitcoin. However, we have to pay very close attention here, because there is one bearish pattern which is potentially unfolding here on the horizon. And yes, I am having my trade open on Bybit, 180% in profit, approximately like 70,000 US dollars on a $1 million US dollar trade. And obviously I'm having my Phoenix trade also still open here. Of course, the profits are disappearing on that one. The Bybit trade still open here, of course, as well. So I am keeping these trades open. What, however, has to happen for me to go out of the trades and to say, hey, I was wrong. So far we are in profits, but when do I say I was wrong? This is the line, guys. This is the line in the sand. Not this, no. The line in the sand is right here. And I do not want to see a 4-hourly close below this line. A 4-hourly close below this line could have a significant impact, because what we are seeing here is a potential M pattern. And please hear me out. I'm not bearish on Bitcoin right now. Hear me out, guys. A potential M pattern. So if we were to get more follow through towards the downside, a closure between 40 and 1,500 US dollars, then this could lead to an M pattern breakdown. I'm not saying we are going to break down. I want to talk about my actual prediction here, but I want you to be prepared at least. Like if I'm making my next video only tomorrow, you want to know what happens when A happens, what happens when B happens, right? So if this breakdown is coming, the measured move price target is pretty much exactly 38,000 US dollars. Why is this interesting? Well, if we are pulling over the Fibonacci retracement level all the way from the top to the bottom, then you can see that we would here come into perfect alignment with the Fibonacci golden pocket. As always, I don't know why Bitcoin is doing that every single time, but well, sometimes it's just speaking a clear language. That doesn't, however, mean that I think we are going to have this M pattern breakdown, because usually what happens in uptrends, we are having M patterns unfolding on the horizon, but every M pattern can turn into a W pattern. Every single M pattern can turn into a W pattern. So this is a non-trading zone. If you are a two-dimensional trader, you trade longs and shorts, then it is a short after a close here, and it is a long after a close above the 44,600 US dollar level, which would then obviously initiate a potential W breakout. Of course, with a beautiful price target all the way up at approximately 48,000 US. Okay, guys, I'm already back in the gym here, and I realized I forgot to talk about the news, right? I just talked about the price. Let me talk about the news here very quickly in this excerpt, which I am going to into that video here. You can see I just posted a few hours ago. Warren Buffett is dumping Visa and MasterCard stocks to invest into the Bitcoin-friendly bank Neobank. And you might ask yourself, is this so big news? Yes, it is. Because by dumping Visa and MasterCard, this is a signal. I mean, he's not, I don't think he sold all of his position. It is a signal that he is projecting the traditional, and this, of course, a little bit of my interpretation going into it, projecting the traditional monetary system, the traditional payment systems to get, at least to lose in power in comparison to alternative ones. Because why is he choosing neobank when he actually sold so many banks in the last few years? Why is he buying neobank? It is actually one of the most Bitcoin friendly banks. And if you know Warren Buffett's investment strategy, he is buying for 5 years, not 5, 10, 20, 30 years. He is buying trends actually in the beginning. So what it seems like here is he is banking on Bitcoin, quite literally. And I want to know what you think about that. Leave your thoughts down below. I will be editing that in here and get this video out as soon as possible. Some people might be coming out right now and saying, hey, Chris, I want you to tell me we are going up, we are going down. This is not how it works, guys. Do you see any crystal ball here? All I'm seeing is a weird thing I'm sitting on and some plastic I don't know what it is, just in front of me, but I don't see a crystal ball here. So please do not expect me to have a crystal ball. I can tell you, percentage-wise, this likelihood we are going to break towards the upside, this likelihood we are going to break towards the downside. This is why we are here much more often right than wrong on this channel. What a professional, sophisticated trader is doing, he is getting ready for both scenarios. And whatever happens, he has a game plan. A happens, I do A. B happens, I do B. This is what it comes down to. This is why I am personally waiting for scaling up my $1 million trades on Bybit and on Femex. Once this is happening, you can see it in the pinned comment down below. The Bybit link provides you a $4,100 link. If you click my link in the pinned comment, click register deposit, you get this free bonus within a few seconds credited. Obviously, I wanted to remind you, follow me also at MMCrypto over on Instagram, 135,000 followers. And yes, I am posting about luxury stuff, about private jets, about like hypercars and so on. But more importantly, I'm posting about stuff like this, right? Me boxing, how to be healthy, how to be happy, how to get wealthy, what is the right mindset, and all of these things. You are getting this over on Instagram as well. I can be happy living in a tropical country from like $20 a day for food and of course walking around bare feet, even though I could afford to travel around in a private jet right now. Of course, happiness comes always from within. So when the prices are going down, you should stay happy. You should have a smile on your face. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.